Torrential slide value equivalent to 710.11 rands a coin. The present cost range 695.39 721.60. The earlier day close 704.37. The change was plus 574 plus 81%. Reverse rate ZAR to Avax. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at 683 rands. Excessive cost 847, while low cost 683. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 751. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 792, change for June 16%. Torrential slide figure for July 2024. Initially cost at 792 rands. Excessive cost 983, while low cost 792. But found the middle value of cost 872. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 919, change for July 16%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2024. To start with cost at 919 rands. Exorbitant cost 919, while low cost 792. They found the middle value of cost 871. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 852, change for August 73%. Torrential slide gauge for September 2024. To start with cost at 852 rands. Exorbitant cost 927, while low cost 805. They found the middle value of cost 863. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 866, change for September 16%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2024. To start with cost at 866 rands. Exorbitant cost 866, while low cost 752. They found the middle value of cost 823. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 809, change for October 66%. Torrential slide figure for November 2024. Initially cost at 809 rands. Exorbitant cost 809, while low cost 660. They found the middle value of cost 747. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 710, change for November 2%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2024. First and foremost cost at 710 rands. Exorbitant cost 710, while low cost 588. They found the middle value of cost 660. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 632, change for December 11%. Torrential slide conjecture for January 2025. Before all else cost at 632 rands. Excessive cost 671, while low cost 583. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 628. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 627, change for January's to 8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2025. In the first place cost at 627 rands. Exorbitant cost 675, while low cost 587. They found the middle value of cost 630. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 631, change for February's on 6%. Torrential slide gauge for Walk 2025. In the first place cost at 631 rands. Exorbitant cost 631, while low cost 536. They found the middle value of cost 594. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 576, change for spring 87%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2025. Initially cost at 576 rands. Excessive cost 715, while low cost 576. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 634. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 668, change for April 16%. Torrential slide figure for May 2025. Before all else cost at 668 rands. Excessive cost 727, while low cost 631. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 676. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 679, change for May 16%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2025. First and foremost cost at 679 rands. Exorbitant cost 738, while low cost 642. They found the middle value of cost 687. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 690, change for June 16%. Torrential slide estimate for July 2025. First and foremost cost at 690 rands. Exorbitant cost 836, while low cost 690. The found the middle value of cost 749. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 781. Change for July 13 2%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2025. First and foremost cost at 781 rands. Exorbitant cost 797, while low cost 693. The found the middle value of cost 754. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 745. Change for August 4 6%. Torrential slide gauge for September 2025. To start with cost at 745 rands. Exorbitant cost 810, while low cost 704. The found the middle value of cost 754. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 757. Change for September 1 6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2025. Before all else cost at 757 rands. Excessive cost 939, while low cost 757. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 833. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 878. Change for October 16%. Torrential slide gauge for November 2025. In the first place cost at 878 rands. Exorbitant cost 954, while low cost 830. The found the middle value of cost 889. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 892. Change for November 1 6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2025. In the first place cost at 892 rands. Exorbitant cost 969, while low cost 843. The found the middle value of cost 903. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 906. Change for December 1 6%. Torrential slide figure for January 2026. Initially cost at 906 rands. Excessive cost 984, while low cost 856. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 917. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 9 at 20. Change for January 1 5%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2026. Initially cost at 920 rands. Excessive cost waiting 22, while low cost 888. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 946. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 955. Change for February 3 8%. Torrential slide gauge for Walk 2026. To start with cost at 955 rands. Exorbitant cost 186, while low cost 955. The found the middle value of cost 1051. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 108. Change for spring 16%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2020.